In this video, I'll show you how to copy the Mailchimp code to your Wix website. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to click on the fourth option, which is Forms. Now, below Forms, you want to head over to the bottom and click on Other Forms. And from here, you want to choose an embedded form. In here, I have a sign-up form at the bottom. This is set as embedded. So on the right-hand side, just simply click on View. Once you click on View, it will automatically show you the preview of your sign-up form or your form. At the top and the right corner, click on Continue. And from here, as you can see, it will automatically show you the code. So what you want to do from here is to head over to the top and right corner, click on Copy Code, and then you want to head over to Wix. Now, once you are on your Wix website, you want to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. At the top, click on the plus sign to add elements. From here, you want to hover your mouse onto Embed in Social. And on the right-hand side of Embed Code, you want to click on the plus sign to add to Site. From here, on the frame, head over to the top, click on Enter Code. And on the left-hand side, press on Ctrl A and press on Backspace to delete. You want to make sure that we are working on a blank slate. And then press on Ctrl V to paste the code from Mailchimp. And at the bottom, click on Update. Once you do that, as you can see, it will automatically show you your form. On the corners of the frame, you will see the circles. Simply hold and drag in order for you to expand the form. Now you can place this anywhere wherein you want it to be. And as you can see, it will also be functional, like adding an email address and clicking on subscribe will work on its own. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.